Right then, hope you're all doing well. The healthy recipe of the week is going to be a buckwheat and French bean salad. That's the recipe there, and this is how it should look like. The green beans, and then this is going to also be with 2 red onions and mint tarragon, but I'm going to use dry here. The staple is going to be buckwheat. And then for the side sauce, we're going to have some Greek natural yoghurt, some pre-made garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon. Then we're going to use some dried mint, and then to serve as a kind of garnish, you can either use ancho chillies or urfa chillies. So just preparing the French beans here. So all we want to do is, we want to chop off the ends, because you obviously want to take these off, which are not really edible. Don't take too much off, because it's good fibre. And then we want to pretty much halve these delicately. Then this way you've got the split into half, it's going to absorb all the flavour. So officially this is the test that I've not had COVID-19 yet. I'm crying and I can actually smell the onions. Yeah, all good so far. So what we're going to do with the red onions is chop these into wedges. So pretty much as you do with like a lime or a lemon, cut these at an angle into nice little wedges. You can see the red onions. And we're just going to put this into a tray, and then these are going to be put into a preheated oven of 200 degrees, and they're going to be roasted for 20 minutes. So Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes. 20 minutes.
And then you can drizzle a little bit of olive oil or any oil that you want. Then that's going to go into the oven for 20 minutes, just until nice and golden. So now we just want to weigh out 90 grams of buckwheat. And we're going to add the buckwheat to water and boil for 8 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 8 minutes.
Second timer, 8 minutes, starting now.
While that's boiling, I'm just going to prepare the green beans. Because once that's done, we're going to add these and that boil for a further 5 minutes. It's a great time dish this, it all sort of syncs up really well. Alexa, set timer for 5 minutes.
Second timer, 5 minutes, starting now.
So I've just done these French beans just in time. Really like this chopping board because you can just sort of fold it all up and put it straight into the pan. So they're all sliced into half, like so. So now this has been done, we're just going to strain to one side and add cold water back. So pretty much put that to one side. And we're going to just chop up the mint, put that to one side. So really nice golden brown. What we're going to do is we're going to spoon the beans and the buckwheat, also with the red onions and also the mint, into a serving bowl. And then we're going to put in the red onions. So just spoon that in and pretty much put the mint over the top. And also some tarragon. Vibrant in colours, but it's absolutely wonderful, you know, smells wonderful. And this is truly a vegan dish. It's only until you add any Greek salad or creme fraiche that it's a vegetarian dish. So we're just going to set that to a side because this is best warm at room temperature. And then we're going to make the sauce. Really easy. I'm going to add 100 grams of yoghurt. So I'm just going to squeeze the lemon. That's going to go into the sauce or the pulp. And we're going to add some of the mint. And then some of the garlic sauce. Really nice little cooling sauce. This reminds me just a bit like tzatziki in a way. So really hope you're enjoying this show. We're doing lots of healthy recipes, vegan, vegetarian, whole plant-based food recipes to inspire healthy living and well-being. If you're really enjoying the show, make sure you subscribe. Also look at all the other videos I've got. I've also got another channel with cocktails every Friday at 5:30 on Hibs Happy Hour to celebrate the week. But here for now we have the buckwheat and French bean salad with a Greek yogurt style mint sauce to go with it. So really hope you're enjoying, and cheers.